Chapter 1, Text 3.
Pashyaitam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum Vyudham Drupadaputrena Tava Sishyena Dhimata. Pashya, behold, Yatam, this, Panduputranam, of the sons of Pandu, Acharya, O teacher, Mahatim, great, Chamum, military force, Vyudham, arranged, Drupada Putrena, by the sons of Drupada, Tava, your, Sishyena, disciple, Dhimata, very intelligent. Translation. O my teacher, behold the great army of the sons of Pandu, so expertly arranged by your intelligent disciple, the son of Drupada. Purport. Duryodhana, a great diplomat, wanted to point out the defects of Dronacharya, the great Brahmana commander-in-chief. Dronacharya had some political quarrel with King Drupada, the father of Draupadi, who was Arjuna's wife. As a result of this quarrel, Drupada performed a great sacrifice, by which he received the benediction of having a son who would be able to kill Dronacharya. Dronacharya knew this perfectly well, and yet as a liberal Brahmana, he did not hesitate to impart all his military secrets when the son of Drupada, Drishtadyumna, was entrusted to him for military education. Now, on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Drishtadyumna took the side of the Pandavas, and it was he who arranged for their military phalanx, after having learned the art from Dronacharya. Duryodhana pointed out this mistake of Dronacharya's so that he might be alert and uncompromising in the fighting. By this he wanted to point out also that he should not be similarly lenient in battle against the Pandavas, who were also Dronacharya's affectionate students. Arjuna especially was his most affectionate and brilliant student. Duryodhana also warned that such leniency in the fight would lead to defeat. Text 4. Atra Shura Maheshvasa Bhimarjuna Samayudhi Yuyudhano Viratascha Drupadascha Maharataha. Synonyms. Atra, here. Shuraha, heroes. Maheshvasaha, mighty bowmen. Bhima Arjuna, Bhima and Arjuna. Samaha, equal. Yuddhi, in the fight. Yuyudhanaha, Yuyudhana. Virataha, Virata. Cha, also. Drupadaha, Drupada. Cha, also. Maharataha, great fighter. Translation. Here in this army, there are many heroic bowmen equal in fighting to Bhima and Arjuna. There are also great fighters like Yuyudhana, Virata and Drupada. Purport. Even though Drishtadyumna was not a very important obstacle in the face of Dronacharya's very great power in the military art, there were many others who were the cause of fear. They are mentioned by Duryodhana as great stumbling blocks on the path of victory, because each and every one of them was as formidable as Bhima and Arjuna. He knew the strength of Bhima and Arjuna, and thus he compared others with them. Text 5. Drishtaketuşchekitanaha Kashirajascha Viryavan Purujit Kuntibojascha Shaibhyascha Narapungavaha. Synonyms. Drishtaketuhu, Drishtaketu. Chekitanaha, Chekitana. Kashirajaha, Kashiraja. Cha, also. Viryavan, very powerful. Purujit, Purujit. Kunti Bhojaha, Kunti Bhoja. Cha and Shaibyaha, Shaibya. Cha and Narapungavaha, heroes in human society. Translation. There are also great, heroic, powerful fighters like Drishtaketu, Chekitana, Kashiraja, Purujit, Kunti Bhoja and Shaibya. Text 6. Yuddhamanyuscha vikranta uttamaujaschа viryavan Shaubhadro Draupadeyascha sarva eva maharataha. Synonyms. Yuddhamanyuhu, Yuddhamanyu. Cha and Vikrantaha, mighty. Uttamaujaha, Uttamauja. Cha and Viryavan, very powerful. Saubhadraha, the son of Shubhadra. Draupadeyaha, the sons of Draupadi. Cha and Sarve, all. Eva, certainly. Maharataha, great chariot fighters. Translation. There are the mighty Yuddhamanyu, the very powerful Uttamauja, the son of Shubhadra, and the sons of Draupadi. All these warriors are great chariot fighters. Text 7. Asmakam tu vishishtaye tani bodha dvijottama nayaka mama sainyasya samnyartam tan bravimite. Synonyms. Asmakam, our. Tu, but. Vishishtaha, especially powerful. Ye, those. Tan, them. Nibodha, just take note, be informed. Dvijottama, the best of the Brahmanas. Nayakaha, captains. Mama, my. Sainyasya, of the soldiers. Samnyartam, for information. Tan, them. Bravimi, I am speaking. Te, your. Translation. O best of the Brahmanas, for your information, let me tell you about the captains who are especially qualified to lead my military force. Text 8. Bhavan Bhishmascha Karnascha Kripascha Samitim Jayaha Ashvattama Vikarnascha Saumadattistataiva cha. Synonyms. Bhavan, yourself. Bhishmaha, grandfather Bhishma. Cha, also. Karnaha, Karna. Cha, and. Kripaha, Kripa. Cha, and. Samitim Jayaha, always victorious in battle. Ashvattama, Ashvattama. Vikarnaha, Vikarna. Cha, as well as. Saumadattihi, the son of Somadatta. Tata, and as. Eva, certainly. Cha, and. Translation. There are personalities like yourself, Bhishma, Karna, Kripa, Ashvattama, Vikarna, and the son of Somadatta called Bhurishrava, who are always victorious in battle. Purport. Duryodhana mentioned the exceptional heroes in the battle, all of whom are ever victorious. Vikarna is the brother of Duryodhana, Ashvattama is the son of Dronacharya, and Saumadatti or Bhurishrava is the son of king of the Balikas. Karna is the half-brother of Arjuna, as he was born of Kunti before her marriage with King Pandu. Kripacharya married the twin sisters of Dronacharya.